for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time.
Hi guys, welcome back to Simply Neat. Today's video I'm giving you guys some laundry motivation. So I know you guys really like these type of videos, so I just wanted to bring you guys another one. So let's go ahead and get into it.
I'll take it to Mars, oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me.
I want you guys to let me know in the comments how you're doing, and if you guys have been liking my consistent videos lately. I'm definitely bringing you guys another video on Sunday, and that will be an organize and pack with me. So I want to let you guys know some exciting news that'll be coming soon. You definitely probably know if you follow me on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, definitely do. My IG name is Simply Neat CO, so definitely come follow me on there.
Little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me.
If you guys have been following me for a while, you know we normally start our routine on Thursday or Friday and then end on Sunday. We definitely don't, do a load every single day. It just seems too overwhelming that way. But this week, we definitely did not do that. I actually started on a Monday and we ended, it was either Tuesday night or Wednesday morning. So we are definitely trying to be flexible with ourselves right now with all the changes that are happening. But if you need some more laundry motivational videos, I do have some more within the description box if you want to check those out after this one.
Try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me breaking.
So the exciting news is we actually just sold our house. So we put our house on the market on a Friday and it actually sold in 2 days. So we definitely did a flip on the house within the last couple years because we did a whole bunch of renovations. I know I've posted quite a few of those upgrades on my channel as well, but we are super excited. So for right now, we are moving into an apartment. So we will be downsizing, which is great for us because we're going to have to get rid of a lot of stuff. And I've been sort of on that minimalism journey, so this is pretty exciting to go ahead and start minimizing a lot of things. So I'm going to take you guys on the whole journey as much as possible without getting too overwhelmed, but definitely go ahead and subscribe if you are needing all that type of motivation. Also, when we move into the apartment, we are going from a style of modern farmhouse is what I've been doing on my channel, but I'm actually going more boho style, which is bohemian style. So I'm super excited to share all of that with you guys. So yeah, definitely subscribe because I have a lot of exciting videos coming soon for you guys.
Do you ever respond? Explain it all again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own.
Also wanted to mention that I just posted a small closet organization video, also organization small closet hacks video as well. So if you are needing that type of motivation, or if you're trying to tackle a small space and just need some motivation to organize it, those are definitely the videos for you. So I'll put those down in the description box as well.
Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna.
So I didn't really show the angle, but this guest room right now is actually a complete mess. So we just got rid of the mattress, and then we are trying to sell the bed in the guest room as well, because it's definitely the farmhouse style and I wanted to get rid of it. So we're trying to sell stuff just to be able to purchase new decor on a budget or whatnot. But yeah, so looks can definitely be deceiving, because it definitely looks clean from this angle, but behind me looks pretty horrific.
Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you, yeah. Tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you, yeah. Tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you, yeah. Tell me why we don't make sense.
So another thing we started doing is we can wash Eleni's clothes with our clothes now, just because we have been purchasing a new type of laundry detergent, basically for sensitive skin, so it's okay for children as well. So there's a tip for you guys if you're having to constantly think about washing clothes separately because you have two different types of laundry detergent. Think about getting one that could be washed for both type of clothes, so that way you don't have to worry about that, and it'll definitely save you an extra step or two.
Up to me, stop dancing to the music and the chase, like this was meant.
Another hack that I tried out, because I felt like our dryer takes forever to dry clothes, especially if it's a larger load. So sometimes we'll just do small loads, but if we are doing larger loads, I have noticed if I sort of like shake my clothes out, if they're wet, it does speed up the drying process a little bit. So definitely try that out and let me know in the comments below if you have tried that, or if it works for you, or another tip or hack you can give someone in regards to trying to dry your clothes faster.
It's all about us. It's all about us. There's some magic in your eyes, can't get enough. I feel your hands, the way you're touching me around my neck. Got chills down my back, you do it right. The way you're holding me, no, I don't want this moment to stop. No need to fight it, I cannot hide it. We won't regret it, so come with me, maybe we're meant to be. A perfect melody, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go.
So this is actually the next morning, so I just have a little bit longer to go. I actually had one more load that I wasn't able to record, but I just wanted to hop on here and give you guys that laundry motivation. And if you have laundry on that to-do list, to go ahead and check it off your list today. So don't click off yet, we have a little bit longer to go, so let's go ahead and finish it up.
I can't get enough. I can't get enough. It's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us.
So here in North Carolina, the weather is definitely messing with our heads. Like 1 minute it is a high of 65 and the next minute is a high of 50. Like, I am so ready for spring. I want to know in the comments below what the weather is where you are, and if you are patiently waiting for spring as much as I am right now.
Dancing close together, making love. It's all about us. It's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough. Can't get enough. I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are.
So we have been living in this house going on 6 years now this summer. So we are definitely ready for a change, but also sort of dreading the move because I'm very anal about being organized. You guys would know that. But let me know in the comments below on any tips or tricks or things you've used to definitely make a move smoother, because it's definitely been a while since we've had to do so.
Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you.
One thing I am super excited about, even though we're going from a 3-bedroom house to a 2-bedroom apartment, when they built this house, they definitely didn't have storage spaces in the design plan whatsoever. So I'm excited to actually have a pantry, also have a linen closet that's included in the 2-bedroom apartment. So I'm excited to show you guys that space, and I'll definitely have an empty apartment tour coming soon.
Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby,
thank you guys for watching this laundry motivation video. I hope it inspired you to get some things done today. If that's to simply make your bed or to do a load of laundry, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.
before I'm too invested, I should